All right, Marc Saltzman here at Collision 2024 with Jon from Bidmii at the York Region booth. Nice to see you, Jon. How's your show?
Very nice to see you as well. Super happy to be here.
Let's dive right in. Bidmii, B-I-D-M-I-I. Tell us what the company's all about.
Sure, it's a marketplace for home improvements and renovations where we hold money in trust during a renovation, effectively eliminating stolen deposits for homeowners, and it means that contractors aren't chasing people for money after the job is done.
I was going to ask you, good tech solves a problem. So before Bidmii came around, that was a concern, I guess, is that those funds would be missing or get inflated by the technician or whoever's doing the work.
Yeah, so I mean, people have all heard the terrible horror stories. They've seen it in the paper. They've heard about their cousin, their neighbor getting ripped off by somebody who collected a deposit and disappeared. But most people are not aware of how big the problem is. It's 8.89% of renovations in this country end with a stolen deposit. It's over $1 billion a year, and that has to stop.
So that's just stolen deposits. I was hinting at just that the quote is inflated after the fact, and then you're kind of stuck because the job's half done and they want more money or something like that. So what's your connection to York Region?
So we participated in the Tree Frog Accelerator, which is an incubator for tech startups that helps them grow, helps them really make sure they're solving the right problem, and they were an absolutely fantastic organization to work with. We've always really appreciated their support.
Yeah, they've been around for a while too, good people. And what are you looking to achieve here at Collision? Who are the kind of folks you're looking to get in front of?
Sure, so we're very interested in connecting with software companies, tech companies that exist in adjacent verticals. So we've recently integrated with a software company that screens tenants for landlords, and we're becoming the property maintenance and upgrade integration for them. We're looking for more partnerships like that, and there's a ton of great companies here. We're really excited about it.
Well, it sounds fantastic. Where can our viewers go for more information about Bidmii, Jon?
Just go to our website, bidmii.com, or check us out in either of the app stores.
Just very quickly, what's behind the name? You didn't know I was going to ask you that.
No, that is, bid me. Give me the bid. Let me decide. We're creating that equal footing for both homeowner and contractor, so give me the bids.
Yeah, I like that. All right, thanks so much, Jon. Have a great show.
Thanks for having me. Cheers.